Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to replace the PCV valve on a 2005 Honda Accord. If you have 2003, 4, 5, 6, 7 years of model, 4-cylinder, 2.4 liter, if it looks like that guys, same procedure, right? PCV valve, very important piece, it's right there guys, alright? What this does is it ventilates the crankcase of the engine, so any fumes, anything, and it protects a lot of things like blow off the seals. So pretty much this pressure will go into the intake here and it will suck it out of there from the engine block. Anything that's in the crankcase, that's why it's called the PCVV, positive ventilation of the crankcase. So anyway, very simple procedure. I'll show you a part number on this as well, right? It will probably take you 5 minutes to do this. And I would recommend doing spark plugs on this together and the engine air filter. But I'll make a separate video for the spark plug, which I am going to be doing, and I will show you the part numbers on that and this and the air filter I'm going to be doing today. I'm not sure, the customer requested that his filter might be clean, but if it's clean I'll leave it alone. This is a good friend of mine named Mehdi, and his car, he always keeps it up to date. This PCV valve look like it has never been replaced, alright? So very simple procedure guys. All you do is you take a needle nose, alright, there's a clamp right down there, you pull that clamp off, and then you should be able to remove this hose off, and then you have the access to that PCV valve. Just put this hose to the side, alright, and this might be number 19. Okay, it's not number 19, it might be number 17, so let me go get the proper size for that and we'll replace that. Alright guys, I went and got me this big socket, deep socket from my big toolbox there. So I'm gonna walk back to the car. Alright, and number 17 millimeter deep, that's what you're gonna need. And you're gonna need a ratchet, and we're gonna go counterclockwise. Alright, I'm holding the camera with the one hand, so it's gonna be a little difficult for me. Alright, there it is. Once it's loose, it should come right out, alright? Make sure this hose is to the side somewhere. Alright, if this PCV valve gets stuck, it will throw in codes, check engine codes. So replace this little piece, alright? It's probably gonna be like 24, 25 bucks. You hear that noise? It's supposed to be like that, but if we're not gonna take a chance, we're gonna replace it, alright? So I gotta wait for the new piece and we'll just continue in a little bit. Alright guys, so we got the PCV valve. What we're gonna do is, let me give you the part number. It's 045-0346. Also got the spark plugs here guys. I'm gonna be using these Denso Iridium plugs. Alright, and the part number on this is 3377. Okay, that's not the part number. SKJ20DR-M11. All right, that's the part number. But we're gonna be putting this PCV valve in, and there's the PCV valve. You can hear it. Very simple guys, you don't need to do nothing to this. You take this, you put this on, and then we're gonna take the number 17 and you're gonna tighten this, alright? Very simple guys. Just gonna hand tighten it, not too tight, you don't wanna crack anything. And after that, you're gonna take this hose, do not forget this pipe, alright? Put that on. And you're gonna take the clamp, you're gonna put the clamp on. Make sure it's nice and firm. And that's it guys. We're done. Thank you. Subscribe. Bye bye. And I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to watch my video on how to change the spark plugs in this car.